In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain to your Vercel project. It's pretty simple to do, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it right now. First, you want to open up the Vercel project that you want to add the domain to. So for example, I have this Vercel project here called YouTube tutorial, and I want to go ahead and add my Namecheap domain to this specific project. So what I can do is go to the top right where it says domains. Next, we're going to need to enter in our domain name address. So for me, it's going to be evandoestech.com. Go ahead and enter in your domain address and then click on where it says add. For this, I'm going to choose the recommended option of adding the www and just the domain by itself, and then click on where it says add. Now what we need to do is add a DNS record. So we want to go to our Namecheap dashboard. Then we want to go to the left-hand side where it says domain list. Next, we want to select our domain and then click on where it says manage. Then click on where it says advanced DNS. Now you may already have some records here, but we're going to go ahead and add in our own records. So first it wants us to add a type record. So to do that, we need to click on where it says add new record, select a record. For the host, we're going to enter in an @ symbol. For the value, we're going to copy this value right here and paste it in. Then we're going to click on the check mark to save changes. Now if we come back to our Vercel dashboard and click on the refresh button, it's going to show that we have a valid configuration. The next thing we need to do is go down to the www.prefixed version of our domain, and we're going to need to add in a CNAME record. So to do this, we want to come back to our Namecheap dashboard, click on add new record. We want to scroll down and select CNAME for the record type. For the host, we want to enter in www. And then for the value, we want to enter in this value right here. Go ahead and paste that in and then click on the green check. Then you want to come back to your Vercel dashboard and click on the refresh button. And now both of these domains should say they have a valid configuration. And if we head back up to our project page, we can see now that our domain has been successfully connected to our Vercel project. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.